All children are born curious and ready to explore the world. But what do we do to support them? We love them, we spend quality time with them, and teach them. Regardless of our background and experience, we are capable of doing this for our kids. After my sons Alex and Max were born, I would use everyday objects lying around the house to show them the magic of science and art. These fun activities helped us bond and find our common passion for discovery. Soon after I started sharing our projects online, I realized I wasn't the only parent who wanted to find simple ways to help my children learn and grow doing projects at home. My name is Sergey Urban. I am father of two and I spend every moment I can making quirky science experiments and creative art projects with my boys. I want to be both their friend and their guide. Being a parent is as much a challenge as it is an adventure. That is why I started the That Lab, to show parents that you don't need a science background, fancy materials or equipment to teach your children. All you need is to carve out time, look within your home and get creative. Through science, wonder and love, the That Lab's practical activities stimulate the senses, develop the mind, and teach STEM basics in a fun and accessible way. I have put 50 of our favorite DIY activities into a cookbook of curiosity and fun. Join the That Lab family, and I promise you that my book will bring you the happiest memories with your little ones. Learn how to defy gravity, make moon craters in the kitchen, explore the power of magnets and secrets of electricity. No one is born a scientist, but anyone of any age can begin to learn how to be one.